beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing, watching anything on my channel, y'all, first off, let me say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking the thumbnail. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for thumbs upping. Thank you for commenting. Just thank you for being here in general. I love you. So make sure you tap that subscribe button and that bell, because we would love to have you as a part of our family. So just join the crew, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it but to do it, okay? So for y'all in the back, hey, for y'all in the back, hey, what it do, cuz? What's up? Hey y'all, how y'all doing? My VIPs in the back, the ones that are subscribed, what's up? What is going on? You are tuned into MakeupShae. I'm your girl Shay, of course. Welcome. In today's video, it is this colorful cut crease. I don't know what I was doing, okay? I'm trying not to curse this year, so I don't know what I was doing, but I just went with the flow and came up with this colorful cut crease look. I don't know if y'all noticed, if it's a little bit brighter, a little bit, I don't know, different. I have 2 ring lights now, so you know, see, you're supposed to be not cursing. Okay, see, but I didn't curse all the way. So today we are completing this look, but y'all, I do want to tell you guys ahead of time that I did not do my foundation. I did not do my face base on camera. I did all of that off camera because I just wanted to focus on the eye look. So if you guys want to see how I did my foundation or how I do my foundation, I do have a everyday foundation routine up in the channel, up in the cards above. But of course it will be different products that I'm using because I am using Shop My Stash. All the stuff that I did use is from Shop My Stash. So if you guys want to see what is in Shop My Stash, I have a video up here as well in the card, so you guys can see what February is going to be looking like product wise. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoy. I feel like I haven't recorded in a while, but I have had some family things going on, personal family things going on, but now I am back on the track, y'all. So look forward to more videos. I got hair reviews coming up. I have lovely wholesale try on haul coming up. I have neutral looks coming up, colorful looks coming up, because y'all know St. Patty's Day is coming up. Y'all know spring is coming, so that's my come on, spring. So y'all, I hope you stay tuned. As always, I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And y'all, make sure y'all stay safe. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love y'all. Stay tuned. See y'all in the next clip. Bye, you guys.